Is your camera preview slightly off, or did you change it recently? Stop guessing, guys. Today, we are going to calibrate your Titan's vision system to pixel perfect accuracy. Let's get to work. You will need three things: white masking paper, a sheet of A4 paper with the calibration pattern printed, I will show you how to do just after, and a scrap of wood. First, prep the stage. Cover your bed with white masking tape. Keep it flat and perform autofocus. High contrast is key. Then autofocus directly on the tape. Open LaserMaker. Go to Setting and Camera. Before we start, click Movable Camera Calibration Board and print this PDF on your A4 paper. We need it for the part 2. Ensure top camera type is set to single and select the correct drivers for your top and movable cameras. Open the calibration wizard. Select top camera and fisheye lens. Now define your area. Click Select Working Area, choose Titan and Titan 35. Then hit Upload to sync with the machine. The software generates a 99-point grid. Press Start on your machine. The laser will mark the tape. Let it finish completely. Click Next, then Photo to capture the bed. Now the mapping. Double-click the exact center of the first cross. You can use mouse wheel to zoom and right-click to pan. Follow the Z pattern, left to right, drop, down, and repeat. Do this for all 99 points. If you misplace a marker, clip the marker and select the trash bin icon to delete it. Once all points are marked, click OK. Your top camera is now calibrated. Now, the head camera. Move the laser head in the center of the bed and place your printed dot template under the camera. Back to the wizard. Select Movable Camera and Completely Calibrated. You will see the camera feed. Simply click on the center of the black dot to snap the red crosshair to it. Click Calibrate. The machine will move automatically to calculate the parallax. Once done, click Next step. Final step, the offset. Place your scrap of wood and perform autofocus. In software, click Cutting Mark to fire a single crosshair onto the wood. Look at the screen. You see the red software cross and the actual engraved cross. Click the center of the engraved cross. Then click Offset Correction. Don't lose your work. Click Calibration File Export and save this file in a safe place. And use External Import to restore these settings. You are now fully calibrated. Your Titan vision system is now sniper accurate, just perfect cuts. If this guide helped you, hit that subscribe button and follow us for more pro workflows. I'm Laurent from thunderlaser, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.